This video shows how to buy shares of Graco Inc. using the query, how to buy shares of Graco Inc. as our starting point. Graco is a maker of industrial fluid handling and spray systems listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GGG. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and deposit funds before buying shares. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GGG to locate Graco Inc. Select the result that matches Graco Inc. on NASDAQ to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent market activity. Confirm the listing shows NASDAQ and ticker GGG to ensure it is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute at market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to visit the platform.